The road to competitiveness goes through sustainability. I know many will think this is a bold claim, but let me tell you why it's right and how you can utilize it. My name is Jasper Steinhausen, and this is Outside Perspective, where, as usual, I bring you perspectives on issues in the intersection between business and sustainability. Right now, there is a growing focus on increasing competitiveness, and very rightly so. And a lot of it will be a focus about how do we cut costs, and it makes sense. But especially if you're in manufacturing, it's crucial that you don't just follow in line with what most people say and tone down the focus on sustainability. You actually need to double down on it instead. And why is that? Well, it's because sustainability is closely connected to the flow of resources. And if you look at your cost structure, more than 50%, most likely, at least these are the data from Denmark, more than 50% of all your costs will be tied into raw materials and components. So loosening the grip on that flow is not going to make you more competitive. But if you do focus on it, there is a good chance that you can harvest a lot of value. It's basically about looking at everything you buy that does not end up in a product that a client pays for. You could consider that waste. And a very simple way you can address this is basically start at the gate. This is where you can ship products that are sold, and then work yourself backwards all the way through the manufacturing process, and simply ask for every step, what comes in here that do not end in a finished product that somebody buys? And every time you find something, ask yourself, why is this happening? What could we do to avoid it? And if we cannot avoid it, then how could we utilize the value of these leftover materials? So it's a process. You should just gather a few people with some technical insight and some strategic insight and some insights into sales and markets, so they know what your clients want as well. And then simply meticulously go through the process and ask this question. You will most likely be amazed at what you find. It's a gold mine that most people are not harvesting. So if you want to increase your competitiveness through lowering your cost base, this is a very, very efficient way to go forward. So go hunting. I'm sure you'll find something interesting. Let me know in the comments if this is relevant. Bye.